Welcome to C-Box, where innovative logistics concepts become reality. C-Box is a US-based business that specializes in the design, custom modification, and manufacturing of ISO containers, shelters, and related logistics equipment. C-Box provides standard 20-foot or 40-foot shipping containers, as well as bicons, tricons, and quadcons that couple together to form ISO-compatible containers. We can create customized interior enhancements, such as cabinets and shelving, as well as electrical components, such as lighting and environmental controls. Our shelters can also be fully insulated to provide optimum energy efficiency. We offer self-contained and shore-powered refrigerated containers that are available in 20 or 40-foot sizes, or as tricons. Utilizing the intermodal concept, your standard or customized containers and shelters can be shipped anywhere in the world via land, sea, or air. And you can be sure that when it gets there, it will be a safe and secure shelter for your product. As a GSA schedule holder, C-Box offers numerous units that are specially designed for military needs. Our mobile machine shops and weapon repair shops provide an easily deployable shelter for the machines and tools needed to service military hardware in the field. Our expandable and collapsible ISO shelters provide maximum shelter space when deployed and minimum storage space when in transport. These shelters can serve as energy-efficient temporary housing, training centers, offices, laundries, kitchens, latrines, and shower units. C-Box's collapsible redeployable shelters, or CRSs, are the fastest and most easily transportable way to construct comfortable, sturdy, energy-efficient buildings. These shelters provide the same amount of space as a temper tent, but are much more thermally efficient, which means extensive savings on energy costs. C-Box has also developed a containerized hygiene system that includes shower and latrine facilities, along with a connectivity kit that hooks to existing military base facilities. The full system is completely mobile and easily packs up for transport, storage, and redeployment. At C-Box, we will bring your container concept into reality. We listen to our customers' logistics needs, and our highly skilled engineers work to design an innovative solution. C-Box has 4 locations in New Jersey, including our 51-acre corporate headquarters and primary manufacturing facility in East Riverton. Our containers and shelters are manufactured on-site using the most state-of-the-art equipment and high-quality materials. Our skilled craftsmen adhere to the highest industry standards. Welders are certified to American Welding Society standards, while electricians follow the National Electric Code and possess advanced educations in their field. Our computer numerically controlled machinery can create even the most intricate customizations to our containers and shelters. We can provide various painting and finishing options in our 4 temperature-controlled booths, including Seaguard water base and chemical agent-resistant coating, and we have a full recovery 65-foot blast room on site. Our ISO-certified quality management system and specialized testing plans ensure that all C-Box containers and shelters are inspected and measured to ISO standards and to customer specifications. We invite you to learn more about our products and services by visiting our website. Please take a few moments to talk to a C-Box representative about your logistical needs and see what solutions we can provide today or what ideas we have for tomorrow.